Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from Simply Earth. This is an essential oil recipe box, monthly subscription, and if you guys are interested at the end of this video, I will leave my promo code below in case you want to get a gift card when you join. So inside each box you get these stickers for all the recipes and even for like your tops of your oil, which is really nice, makes them easier to store. So you get some stickers and then you get some recipe cards. So the first one is Digest Help Roll On. Very easy instructions. And on the back they all have different stuff that I'll flip through real quick. So this one has a note from Kate. It says these recipes are perfect for minor aches and pains. One of the recipes I'm most excited about in this box is calendula solar infused oil. Very interesting. It's a method that's been used for hundreds of years. Cool. So that's the first one. We also have burn salve. Could have used that last week. I always burn my hands taking stuff out of the oven, like my forearm. I don't know. Do you guys do that? Because I sure do. The recipe for that. And on the back of that card, there's a sneak peek for next month's box, which is Salon in a Box Toxin-Free Nail and Hair Care. I am very excited for that one. Very cool. So it gives you like a sneak peek of the oils you'll get and all that other stuff. Very exciting. Skin Healing Gel has some aloe vera, coconut oil, and then a Bumps and Boo Boos essential oil blend. This one talks about the referral program. Then we have a No Stress blend. Tells you how long it takes, estimated shelf life. This one has frequently asked questions. Sleek and smooth shaving butter. And these are the essential oils for this month. Just some information about it, the extras that you get. Tells you if they're pregnancy safe, kid safe, dog safe, and cat safe. And here's that last recipe that they reference on that card. Lightly pack flowers into the bottom of a jar, add the carrier oil, seal it and place in a sunny window. Let sit for 2 to 3 weeks, shaking the mixture daily. That's pretty cool. And on the back of that card it talks about the charity. So all their proceeds, or 13% of their proceeds, go to end human trafficking, and for the next couple months it goes to that charity. Based in Thailand, which is awesome. So I will show you the oils. Bumps and Boo Boos. Let's see what's in here. This one has something I can't pronounce. A lavender, tea tree, and lemon essential oil. See if it'll focus on that. I know it's pretty bright coming in from that light. It's HELICHRYSUM. Next. Whoa! Glad that didn't fly off the counter because it would have broke. Next we have cardamom. Lavender. I feel like lavenders and tea tree is like my most used essential oils. And the last one is timber. So this has cypress, cedarwood, sandalwood, patchouli, balsam, mandarin. Ooh, I feel like that one was made for me. I love those scents. Then the extras that come on the side that you'll need for the recipes, we have some aloe vera gel, and other containers and carrier oils and stuff come with the bonus box that you get twice a year. So, and then here are the dried calendula flowers. Very cool. So that's what came in this month's box. If you guys are interested, like I said, I have the promo code, their website below in the description box. And if you want to see past unboxings, I have a whole playlist. So thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.